This is such a cute way to send your baby shower boy guest home with something that actually feels like a party favor. This is the shower favor set, enough for 25 guests. It includes the mini acrylic shot glasses, and I really appreciated that each one was individually wrapped. I unwrapped 4 of them here, but I liked, for sanitation reasons, they were all individually wrapped. They have the bottle opener keychains, the thank you tags, the 2 bags, and the rope for easy assembly. Thank you for celebrating with us. Everything is already coordinated for an It's a Boy baby shower or gender reveal, so you are not piecing together random favors last minute. And again, cups, bottle openers, keychains, and tags, and a rope, which makes assembly so easy. The bottle opener keychain is something that guests can actually use after the party. I highly recommend this set if you need a quick favor for a baby shower or a gender reveal. It is simple. It is everything is here already, and it works for guest gifts, game prizes, or a take-home souvenir. But this review is sponsored by the brand.